Aloha! This video tutorial will go over how to allocate your expenses by group. This is probably the simplest way to allocate your expenses. You're able to use this method if all your expenses will be charged to the same department. So when you are completed doing your reconciliation, you can select all here, top left checkbox, and they'll select each expense line. Scroll over to the right prompt where you'll see a link for Allocate. Select that link. You'll notice then that on the left hand side your expenses, though grayed out, are all selected. And here on the right side you want to go ahead and select your department. This department that's in there now is not the department our expenses will be allocated to, so this is the crucial step of identifying where the expenses are to be charged. Use your department codes as you've been sent. Enter or select the business unit, which is KSCMP. Don't worry about project ID or activity ID. And then select Save. Allocations have been saved, okay, and done. Both allocations will then have a symbol that kind of looks like a ladybug show. If you scroll over it, you'll then see what department got charged for the expense, which is correct. You're ready to go, submit report, and you're done. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call or email. Aloha, have a great day.